Commodore, si Chicky Verhel po ito. Good evening. Yes, I understand meron po kayong mga equipment or mga nasa wish list po ninyo, no, na sana ay next year mapasama sa budget. Pero after this attack or aggression po na nangyari, ano po ang mga measures na i-implementa po muna natin sa ngayon while waiting po para dun sa mga equipment na yun? Baka meron po tayong adjustment sa protocols na kailangan malaman po ng, ng taong bayan.
In terms of protocol, no, these are all in place naman. For example, kapag naglayag ang ating mga kababayang mangingisdang Pilipino, it's part of our mandate, no, na magkakandak sila, na magre-report sila sa Coast Guard Station, sasabihin nila kung aalis sila. So we can already monitor, no, kung ilang mangingisda ang umalis from their home ports.
Pero wala po tayong adjustments para maprotektahan yung mga mangingisda po natin?
Yes, as to the adjustment, there is a possibility na magdagdag tayo ng Coast Guard vessel, but again, it is compromising in other areas. And as sinabi ko, we have very limited assets, and it's not just the West Philippine Sea that we are patrolling, no? We also have responsibilities sa Southern Philippines, for example, or in Central Visayas. We might as well reposition some of the vessels in the West Philippine Sea to ensure na malaya at maligtas na makapangisda ang mga Pilipino. Again, these are still plans that we're still formulating. But of course, our priority is to ensure the safety and security of our Filipino fishermen.
Understood. Kanina pa lang naman po nangyari.